Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on September 15th. First use of tanks in battle 1916. On September 15, 1916, during World War I, British forces rolled out tanks in battle for the very first time at the Battle of the Somme. These early tanks, nicknamed Little Willies, were rough and mechanically unreliable, but they marked a revolutionary shift in military tactics. Armored vehicles breaking through trenches became the vision of modern warfare. Though their impact was limited at first, the idea would evolve. From then on, tanks transformed how battles were fought. It was a dramatic moment that changed army strategy forever. Battle of Britain Day 1940. On September 15, 1940, nearly 1,500 German aircraft attacked London in what became known as Battle of Britain Day. The Royal Air Force, though outnumbered, fought fiercely and inflicted heavy losses on the Luftwaffe. Hitler postponed his invasion plans, and the victory lifted British morale, becoming a lasting symbol of courage and resistance. The Nuremberg Laws passed 1935. On September 15, 1935, Nazi Germany passed the Nuremberg Laws, a chilling moment in history. These racist laws stripped German Jews of their citizenship, banned intermarriage with non-Jews, and institutionalized their exclusion from society. The swastika became the official German symbol. These actions marked a dangerous escalation of Nazi persecution. What followed was a devastating path toward the Holocaust. This date reminds us how swiftly freedoms can be stripped away. Bombing of 16th Street Baptist Church 1963. On September 15, 1963, tragedy struck Birmingham, Alabama, when a Ku Klux Klan bomb exploded at the 16th Street Baptist Church. 4 young black girls were killed during Sunday services in a horrifying act of racial violence. The outrage sparked momentum in the civil rights movement across America. Eventually, 3 men were convicted for their roles in the bombing. It was a painful yet powerful moment that revealed the urgent need for justice and equality. Muhammad Ali wins 3rd heavyweight title 1978. On September 15, 1978, in New Orleans, Muhammad Ali became the first boxer ever to win the World Heavyweight Championship 3 times. He defeated Leon Spinks in a fierce rematch to reclaim the title. At 36, Ali proved he was still the greatest, dazzling fans with his speed, skill, and spirit. This historic victory cemented his legacy in sports history. For those who witnessed it, it was unforgettable, a glorious win for Ali and his fans worldwide. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.